13.75.
13375, now to the Foxtrot, good day.
Looks like we got traffic over there at 10 o'clock. Same direction. Low flight. Slowly go to full flaps
Falcon
now.
11 Papa, descend and maintain 8,000.
Almost 30.
So maintain 8,000, triple top.
Alright. Alright, we got full flaps now. Nice control. A little bit more mushy. Nose up trim. Traffic's running away from us, that's good. Alright, we're going to bring the flaps up. Retrim as necessary. A little bit of trim change as we move the flaps. Alright. Gonna head over to the south. Doesn't look like the weather is very nice here. We got pretty good undercast. Alright, RPM back up. Now we're gonna climb back up. Power back up.
November 11 Papa, descend and maintain 5,000. You can most likely expect a right downwind. The weather appears to be moving slowly east on the left downwind. Contact approach now.
I'll do another quick check on the alarm, see if it's still bugging us at 2680.
Down to 5,000, and we'll expect a right downwind.
And high tachometer alarm, that's what it is. High tachometer alarm. That's all. The only alarm we have to adjust here. Maybe tweak it up to 2800 RPM or so before we can get that under control. Okay, we can easily see the coastline of New York this way, just to the left of us. It's good. Not sure if we could go underneath,
Attention all aircraft, it is 50 Corona Providence, altimeter
underneath that
274.
cloud deck. But we can at least try, because there's a little bit of an opening. Let's see what the weather in Groton is calling for. We got ATIS at 27.0. Maybe it's 2,000 feet we go underneath and still remain VFR.
Temperature 2.21, altimeter 2975. VOR GPS approach and use landing and departing runway 23. Use caution for birds in the vicinity of the runways. Advise on initial contact, you have Mike.
Mike.
Groton Tower information, Mike 1756, Zulu weather. Wind 190 at 7, visibility 4, light rain, mist. Sky conditions 1,700 scattered, ceiling 2,400 broken, 3,500 overcast. Temperature 2.21, altimeter 2975. VOR GPS approach and use landing and departing runway 23. Use caution for birds in the vicinity of the runways. Advise on initial contact, you have Mike. Groton Tower information, Mike 1756, Zulu weather. Wind 190 at 7, visibility 4, light rain, mist. Sky conditions 1,700 scattered, ceiling 2,400 broken, 3,500 overcast. Temperature 2.21, altimeter 2975. VOR GPS approach and use landing and departing runway 23. Use caution for birds in the vicinity of the runways. Advise on initial contact, you have Mike.
Okay, we got information, Mike and Groton.
Groton Tower information, Mike 1756, Zulu weather. Wind 190 at 7, visibility 4, light rain, mist.
Marginal
Sky
VFR.
conditions 1,700 scattered, ceiling 2,400 broken, 3,500 overcast. temperature 2.21, altimeter 2975. VOR GPS approach and use landing in departing runway 23. Use caution for birds in the vicinity of the runways. Advise on initial contact, you have Mike.
Find a hole somewhere here where we can stay a couple of thousand feet from the clouds. We'll be fine. Alright, looks like if we're gonna go back this way, we'll be able to go underneath that cloud and maintain VFR. Let's see, Groton Airport is straight ahead to the west of us. It looks like right up here will be a good place to descend below the clouds, which is what I'm going to do right now. No traffic below. TCAS has no traffic. Mixture's rich on the descent. Everything's looking normal. $1,800. Very nice.
Thanks, we'll see you tomorrow.
And it's probably a good time to give them a call. About 8 miles. To the southeast of the airport. There we have the weather.
Use caution for birds in the vicinity of the runways. Advise on initial contact, you have November.
November now. Tower, good afternoon. Experimental 323 Alpha Tango with November, 7 miles to the southeast landing.
Experimental 323 Alpha Tango, Groton Tower, Roger. Report a 3-mile left base, runway 23.
Report a 3-mile left base, runway 23, 3 Alpha Tango. 3-mile left base, 23, landing 23. Let's go towards the airport now, and we're going to be at 1,000 feet, which is traffic pattern altitude. Everything's normal. Bring up the power a little bit. And trim the airplane. 1,000. Good charge, good voltage, oil pressure is green, oil temperature is green, and everything's looking normal. Sailhead temperature, EGT, this power plant is coming alive. Every hour it comes alive. Left base 23. Pretty low clouds here. We're going to probably pick up some light rain. looks like the airport's right out there.
Tower, Amphibian, 940 Delta.
I'm going to stop and grab a minute break, make sure everything's good with the airplane, put some gas,
12 to the west,
and do another flight.
Along the coastline at 1,500 feet to the west-east. Number 940 Juliet Delta, Roger, transitions approved, got an altimeter 2973. 73, thanks.
323 Alpha Tango, 3 mile left base, runway 23.
3 Alpha Tango, Roger, runway 23, clear to land. I'm not receiving your transponder at all.
Negative transponder, 323 Alpha Tango, clear to land, runway 23. Yeah, that transponder is going to have to be addressed, but let's focus on landing. Full landing check, mixture is rich, landing lights on, and prop. It's going to probably scream, but we have to get it full for the go-around. Weird, huh? Not screaming today. Okay, only 3 screams. It's quiet now. Now we're going to throttle back, trim the airplane. I'm going to put about 10 degrees of flaps for this landing. White arc, flaps extend, 10 degrees. And we're going to attempt to do a landing with 10 degrees of flaps. About 80. A good approach speed on the base. Go to line runway 23. Final checks. We got the prop full RPM for the go around. We got mixture rich. Lights are on. Everything's secure. Seatbelt's been on. Harness has been on the whole flight. Slightly high, correcting, 2 reds and 2 whites now. Nice and trim. Looking good, right on the profile, about 80. A little bit of wet runway from the light rain, but nothing major. Fuel is on the fullest tank. 2 reds and 2 whites. Stabilized approach. At the correct speed, correct configuration. 2 reds and 2 whites. Keep coming down. Throttle back. Round out and flare. Hold it. Hold it. Beautiful landing, stay on the rudder, throttle back, nice and easy, directional control, good control.
Tango, where are you at today?
Heading for fuel, 3 Alpha Tango.
3 Alpha Tango, Roger, right turn on runway 33, right on taxiway Charlie, taxi to Mystic Jet Center, it's just beyond Phillips 66 site.
3 Alpha Tango, right on 33, right on Charlie, going to Mystic. Thanks, sir. Okay, excellent, excellent, excellent. Only few concerns on this flight. Getting better and better as we're addressing all the discrepancies. This is a home-built aircraft, so you're not going to expect a factory-built, tested airplane from the factory. So we have the transponder issue that we have to fix. We still have slight alarm on RPM at about 2700 that has to be corrected. And the emergency air, which is alternate air knob, comes out from vibration. And this is very, very small stuff. This is nothing major. Majority of concern for me when I'm doing any of those flights is the airframe and the power plant. And if it's a good combination of power, flight control, transponder can be replaced, knobs can be replaced, alarms can be fixed. So that's not a problem at all. This was about 1 hour flight, 8.2 now. Very nice up here. going to go to the jet center there, put some gas, fuel it up, and we're going to do a takeoff with full fuel. After 8 hours of flying, we should be able to top it off with gas and take more than just 5 gallons, 6 gallons of gas each flight. After landing checks, we're going to do the flaps, bring it up to 0. Transponder is now working, it's off already. Mixture is rich, and trim for takeoff. Right on the neutral side. There's going to be our guy right there. Got to park out there.
984 Julie Delta clear to the east. 4 Julie Delta, thanks, we'll see you now.
And after landing checks complete, alright, there's your guy. Very nice. Excellent.